for you.
Hello?
What do you think? Can we live here?
I don't know. Is it bigger than our Airstream?
In his Volkswagen Bug, and he drove through a hole in the wall, and his Bug is parked right here, and they're smoking a joint. And this is like in the 70s.
You stayed with us before.
Never at Lake Havasu.
Well, yay! Welcome to Lake Havasu State Park. I'm going to write down your license information, and Jenny will tell you where you're going to be at.
Who are you gonna call?
Well, there's no phone, so nobody.
Early in the morning, 8 o'clock, that's the tip. Early in the morning.
And you've had all day.
Well, not really, because
We did the half day.
We did the half
We
day.
just paid for half day.
Because then the tuna boat comes and then drops off 300 people. And then so there was a huge difference.
Our Crater to Caverns journey is coming to an end. After 6 states and 1 Canadian province, we are nearly to our winter home, volunteering at Kartchner Caverns in Arizona. While this journey has been full of surprises and adventures, our biggest adventure was just about to be unveiled.
Look at the.
It's
smashed flat.
I guess we just pull over and is this the building or?
I don't know. It says visitor parking. They might be coming up to see us.
Hello, welcome to Golf.
How's it going?
You Harvest Toasters?
Yes, we are.
This is Goff's. It's an unincorporated town. It was founded way back in the day. Before it was Goff's, I think it was Blake. Founded by a gentleman by the name of Blake. And it became Goff's. And then in 1937, when the railroad and everything started changing over from steam locomotives to diesel locomotives, it kind of pushed everybody to Needles. It kind of left everybody here. The natural population around that time frame, what I understand, was like 400 to 600 people.
Wow.
There's 7.
Yeah.
The unincorporated town. We still have train traffic all the time, so you'll have to
There's 3 more coming, isn't there? I got a thing that said more we're going to be here.
for Harvest Toasters.
Yeah.
Well, if they are, they're going to be here. I got plenty of spots. There's over 30 sites here that I can park anybody here.
Well, thank you, Chris.
Welcome.
We look forward to our stay here.
I hope you guys enjoy your stay. You guys have a good night.
Thank you.
Please, oh please, won't you stick around? I don't want to say goodbye when the sun goes down. I want to keep you close, want to hold you tight. I don't ever want to say goodnight, won't you stick around? An hour or 2 will never be enough to be with you. Whenever you leave me longing and blue. Please, oh please, won't you stay stick around. Spare just a little time, don't go running around. I wanna keep you close, wanna hold you tight. I don't ever wanna say goodnight, but just stick around.
We just learned that the caboose might be open for us to check out, so we're gonna go check it out.
There's a shower right here. Wow, and the toilet that's all inside. Little fridge. Look at that.
Very fun. Couple little cots.
Coffee pot. Look it up there.
See, there's conductor chairs up there.
I mean the
Cool. Little
heater.
wood-burning stove.
This is where all the glasses and dishes are.
It's for you.
Hello? And then shower. And all the things. And you saw them using the toilet in here? Very fun. And a little deck.
You see, the Airstream is right over there.
What do you think? Can we live here?
I don't know, is it bigger than our Airstream?
Tell you a funny story. My dad would drop the kids off here. The schoolhouse was all shot up. Every piece of glass would set up with BB guns and shoot. A guy in my historical group, Neil Sampson, has a picture of him in his Volkswagen Bug, and he drove through a hole in the wall, and his Bug is parked right here, and they're smoking a joint. And this is like in the 70s. Crazy, yeah. And Dennis fixed this place all up. He just made it his life's work to preserve the history in the East Mojave, and he did a wonderful job.
Good morning, Mr. Fisher. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is codenamed Mission 26. This year is the 100th anniversary of Earth 66 and America's 250th birthday. You and your Airstreamer team are to depart Karcher Caverns, Arizona, and follow the Mother Road east. Your objective: travel to West Michigan to witness your Sun Exchange wedding vows. The route is fixed: Sightman, Holbrook, Gallup, Albuquerque, Tulsa, Springfield, and enter Michigan along the Great Lakes shore. Your route will be marked by neon, fudge, giant boots, buried Cadillacs, and one very large bottle of ketchup. Your mission, Jim, should you choose to accept it, is to document everything. The world must see the Mother Road turn 100, while the nation turns 250. As always, should you or any member of your Airstreamer crew be caught speeding in a construction zone, the Secretary would disavow any knowledge of your actions. This phone booth will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, Jim.
There. We've left our mark.
So is this, those are the same two that were inside?
Yes. Will just now be directly in our book.
Hello.
Checking in.
Yeah.
What's the last name?
Fisher.
Fisher?
And you stayed with us before.
Never at Lake Havasu.
Well, yay! Welcome to Lake Havasu State Park. I'm going to write down your license information, and Jenny will tell you where you're going to be at.
Okay.
So you guys are in our cabin loop. So the first tag, this is for the vehicle, and then there's a map there as well. But it's really easy where you're going to go. You just keep going straight where the brown sign is with that white arrow pointing up.
Okay.
Dump station's up at the top of the hill to the left, but keep going straight, and it'll be the first turn in on the right is the cabin loop. All those sites are numbered. You guys will be down past the cabins. Okay. And then there's water and electric at this site, and you'll see the little bath and shower house in the middle.
Alrighty, this looks to be level. Goal. Goal time.
Channel node.
Of course, I'm backing up on the blind side.
Well, not like you've ever done that.
Your angle's looking really good on that. Okay, you can start going back to the passenger. Keep coming. Okay, check the level there. I think the cord can still reach. You might want to check that after we check level.
All right. Let's get her set up.
in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and behind us, of course, is the famous London Bridge. So the story is, I don't know the guy's name, but decided to buy the bridge and bring it here and reassemble it as a tourist attraction, and kind of the whole town's been built up around it.
Tonight is the lighting.
Everybody looks kind of lit already, Michelle.
Yeah. I want to, hang on, I know you're filming, but I want to get the name of it. And tonight is the Festival of Lights in Lake Havasu, Arizona, and that's when they kind of kick off the festivities for Christmas holidays. So it's the day after Thanksgiving
when we're here.
So we're excited to be here for that, and we're going to share with friends experiencing the Festival of Lights. We'll take you along.
Who are you gonna call?
Well, there's no phone, so nobody. I'm just gonna stand in it. This is Party Central down here. Amazing.
Isn't that amazing? It's almost like Disneyland, almost like better. Disneyland doesn't even have this kind of like.
It's a whole lot more money.
It's a lot cheaper than Disneyland. I'd rather spend the money and go to Dry Tortugas or do, you know, that was not important to me, so, yeah.
I think the Dry Tortugas.
Oh,
triple a lifetime.
Yeah, you guys flew the helicopter, right?
We took the seaplane.
Okay. Yeah.
And then
That was a
we
great
get in early in the morning, 8 o'clock. That's the tip. Early in the morning.
And you had all day.
Well, not really, because we did the half day.
We just paid for a half day.
Because then the tuna boat comes and then drops off 300 people. And then so there was a huge difference.
Yeah.
So the tip is go there in the morning, and so what we did was we went snorkeling. So we'll do this. We did snorkeling in the morning. We were the only one on that beach, and everybody went to the fort. And so, because I think there was only like 8 of us on that plane.
Yeah, and then there was 2 planes, so there was probably just shy of 20 people.
But that beautiful beach that you see, we were the only ones on it.
It's amazing.
And then as soon as, before the tuna boat came, we went and saw the fort when everybody went down to the beach. So we had the fort to ourselves.
Yeah.
And then the tuna boat came and dropped off 300 people. You couldn't even get on the sign. You couldn't even do anything.
There's a line to get, by the National Park signs. Wow.